This 2023 Grand Design Imagine AIM 16 megaliters sofa slide, large rear bath is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Skylight, stovetop burner, TV, external shower, slide-out, air conditioning, microwave, refrigerator, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine AIM 16 megaliters sofa slide, large rear bath is 3,784 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.